Hi everyone, it's Miss Lastly again, and we're about to do a quick Schoology walkthrough so you can see how my class is set up and where everything is located. So here we go. Okay, so this is what your students should see as soon as they go into Schoology. They're going to see their week at a glance at the top. So parents, this is also helpful for you because down here it has their weekly activities. So this top section is their links to get into our class meetings. And then down here, it's what their tasks are going to be for the day. So for instance, on Monday, Tuesday, they should be watching their day one video and doing their homework for day number one. Wednesday is office hours, asynchronous time, so students can come in and ask questions. They're just going to use these links right here. And then Thursday, Friday, so here's their itinerary, right? So they should be watching their day number two video, doing their homework for day two, and then doing their check-in number two. If you look over at the upcoming events category, these are assignments that are upcoming for this class. So they have their day two homework. So mine's split up because I have two different, I have periods 3 and then I have 4, 5, and 6, so they're different days. So for me, it shows up twice. For them, it should only show up one time. So they have their day 2 homework that needs to be submitted, and they have their week, unit 1, week number 1 check-in, or their second check-in altogether. If they scroll down, so you have your class resources. This is where we have our link to our OneNote. They can also use this to get to OneNote. It is a little bit easier just to use this link over here. And that gives them like their own actual like OneNote notebook. We have our bell schedule. We have remind code. So I do have remind set up for this class. The point breakdown for semester 1, which you saw in the last video. And then here is our pre-calculus book. So it is a PDF. If the students would like a hard copy of Ballard's textbook, you can email me and let me know and I can have that checked out to them. I'm not a fan of Ballard's textbook for this course. So this is a different textbook that I found online that I think is really excellent. It does kind of stink that it's a PDF, so it's a little bit hard to maneuver through, but it is an excellent textbook. It has a bunch of example problems and extra practice. Moving onward, so this is how I have my unit set up. So each unit has its own folder. All right, so we did unit 0 already. That was our algebra 2 review, and we are on unit number 1 now. So when we go into our unit number 1, we see that it's broken down by week. So at the very top, those are all the homeworks for this unit. All right, so not just like a day's homework. This is all the homeworks that they're going to have for the entire unit. When they go into their week folder, this is going to get more specific. So inside their week folder, this is going to have their notes videos. So this is where they would go to watch me deliver the notes for the day, walking through everything, doing practice problems, that kind of thing. And then here is their assignment that goes with those videos. Same thing, day number 2, here's their notes. And then here's the homework that goes with that note video. And at the very bottom, you can see the link for their check-in. That is pretty much it. So not too much else happening on Schoology. That covers their upcoming events, where to go to get to class, which most of them seem to have figured out by now, which is good. It's like the 4th week. And then where to go to find their different resources. And then OneNote, like I said, is excellent. It gives the students a really good idea of like what their notebook should look like because it's my notebook. But yeah, so I hope that was helpful. If you have any other questions on how Schoology is set up for this class or really just this class in general, please feel free to reach out and let me know and I can help you figure out anything that you need. All right, have a good one. Bye.